Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited for today's video. So we're going to do something really fun. So you all know that in a normal skincare routine, we use a cleanser, then we use a toner, then there is a serum, then a moisturizer, then a sunscreen, and then a lip balm, right? There are 6 products. So now if I have to pick one product from each of these category that I have used so far, and if there's like one best pick, this is something that I would highly recommend. So I'm very excited. So let's quickly get started. Let's talk about cleansers. Now, I've used so many cleansers from Hyphen, from Face Shop, then from Plum, also the Dot and Key. Then there are so many that I've used. So, if I have to pick one cleanser, it has to be from this brand right here, which is by Face Shop, and this is their Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. This is such a beautiful product. Now, I always say that if you're a combination skin girly, then go with a gel consistency. Now this one is not extremely creamy, neither it is extremely jelly. It comes somewhere in between, but it goes more towards the creamy thing. But I so love this product because it cleans your face so beautifully. The moment you apply this on your face and just give it a good massage and then just rinse it off with water, your skin feels so clean. So this is one cleanser that I just keep on repeating. Even if I feel that I should just skip to another cleanser, I'm like, it is not going to give me the feeling that this does, right? This has like set the bar so up for me that to beat this cleanser, it's kind of challenging. So I really like this product. So from cleanser, I think this is like a clear win for me. Next up is a toner. Now this is like a toner serum kind of a thing, which I completely love. Now this is by the brand Cosrx, and this is their 6 peptide skin booster. It says it's a serum, but the texture of this and the consistency of it is so runny that it is as equal to a toner. So as soon as I wash my face, I apply this. This is something it looks like. I've already used this much. Now, this actually helps to firm your skin. If you have bumpy texture, like when you glide your hand over your face, you would actually feel like this patch, there's this roughness and all of these things going on. It actually helps to, give you a nice base to remove the roughness, the patchiness, to give you that smooth and gliding skin. It really does help you with that. It helps you with your sebum because it has so many peptides in there. It is such a magical product. I've been using this for over 6 months and you can already see my skin looks so good. It does. So I really like and I would highly recommend this. So I would consider this as a toner for me because the consistency is so runny that I don't get the feeling of a serum. I just would consider this as a toner. So this is something that I love. Yes. So let's move to uh I think a moisturizer, no, a serum now. So the serum that I love is by Claire's, and this is their vitamin C serum. This is something it looks like. Now I have to throw this off because it has been oxidized, but I'm just going to tell you like a quick story. Now I have used so many vitamin C because I love vitamin C serum because I think this one serum actually helps to give you that glowness and makes your skin look so beautiful. So I love vitamin C. So I heard a lot of reviews about it. So I got this. I've been using this for over 2 to 3 years now. But the problem with this product is only the packaging. If this would have come in like a closed packaging or like a pump kind of a thing, this would have been like the bestest thing in the market because you can see result with this serum in just 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks, you'll eventually feel that your skin is lightened, your face is so damn glowy. This is so good. But the problem with this is like the packaging. If they work on their packaging, it is going to be great. Now, the thing with this is also that when it comes, you have to keep it like airtight in a cool place, in a dark place, and keep it like, make sure that it doesn't get in contact with a normal temperature or the sun or anything because then it is going to oxidize. So I just kept this for a few days outside. I don't know why, and it kind of oxidized. So when it came, it was transparent in color. And can you see the color right now? It is completely oxidized. And if I keep it more out, it is going to turn black also. So this is one product that I so damn love. So you have to really take care of it like your baby. But I mean, I also use the Wishcare one, which is also good, but it takes a while to show up result. But this one, man, it just shows up result in 2 weeks. So this is like my favorite. I would rank it number one in the serum category for me personally because I've seen results. So yeah, I really love this. Let's move to the moisturization. Now, I have used this tube. I think it's my fifth or my fourth or my sixth. I have no idea which tube I am in. And this is also like all gone. Now, this is by Dr. Shade and this is their Kesar and Kojic acid moisturizer. This has alpha butane, this has kojic acid, it has Kesar. So basically, it will help you with your pigmentation, your darkness, and the stubborn pigmentation, and will also help to enhance your skin tone because of the Kesar that it has in it. It's so good. I don't even know how many tubes I've finished. I really love this one. So in moisturization, I think this is like one moisturizer that I completely love and adore, and I have to get my hands on this. I've also, by the way, gifted this to my brother because he wanted to start skincare when he was getting married a month or 2 months ago. So I got this for him because I thought this is just it. You have to try this. Now let's move to sunscreen. Now my personal sunscreen favorite is, I have used so many sunscreens, but my go-to is this. This is by Be Body Wise and this is their ultra light sunscreen with an SPF 50 plus. It has an anti-acne technology, zero white cast. It comes with a PA plus plus plus. Now if you are prone to acne also, you can actually use this product because it comes with that technology. It is so damn lightweight, so good. I'm in love with this sunscreen, to be very honest. It just glides in your skin so beautifully, absorbs. And the best part about this product is it doesn't penetrate inside your skin. So basically, when you apply a sunscreen, it's like a shield, right? So when the sun rays comes, it only has to protect. It shouldn't be going inside your skin. And then when it does, it will go inside your bloodstream and there'll be hormonal issues or there will be hormonal disruption. If you go read, you will understand. So this is something that it doesn't do. It doesn't penetrate inside the skin. It's just there on the top layer. It does the job and then you wash it off at night and then use or do your night care routine. So this is something that I absolutely love. Yeah, and I mean, I can't do without this sunscreen. Okay, so the last one I have is a lip balm. My favorite lip balm is by Wishcare and this is something it looks like. And this is the ceramide lip balm tinted version. This is something the color payoff is. I really love it. It's so good, so good. I mean, what do I even say? So the thing with this is, it has ceramides, it has kojic acid, it has niacinamide and watermelon. It comes with an SPF 50 with a PA plus plus plus. It protects and it also lightens. Now it has kojic acid, which means it is going to help you remove the darkness and the pigmentation that is there on the lips. It's going to give you that nice pink color lips because it is tinted. Plus it has SPF 50 with a PA plus plus plus, which means it also acts like a sunscreen, like sun protector. So I really love this product. So these are the top picks. Let me know if you want me to make another part 2 where I talk about body care, night care routine, or everything about that. I would love to do that as well. You can just pop that in the comment section below for me. And I think this was very quick, easy, fun video. I really want to do something very different. So I hope you like this. And if you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.